Chapter 38. Poison Irava. Valtaire lets us into the late king's bedchamber through the service access. The door creaks, a slow groan that makes me freeze. Will Toravon hear it? Will he find us in here? That suddenly feels much worse than me going to him. I'm here, where I shouldn't be, and even with Valtaire, it feels like an intrusion. Valtaire nudges me inside, saying in a low voice, "It's fine, this door always creaks. I don't think you can hear it from the other rooms." I nod, not quite willing to believe him, but step inside the stuffy room. The curtains aren't drawn as they've been before. Has Toravon been here again? Sunlight shines through the high windows, illuminating dust as it swirls about the room. The bedchamber still smells of disuse, the air eerily still. It's like a forest with no sound. And the unreality is here, clear as anything. I shiver, folding my arms against a chill that's deeper than the cool air. I'd been too focused on Toravon when I was here before to notice all the little details. I see the small painted portraits of a young Toravon and Elsira on the bedside table, a rusting ancient broadsword over the empty and much more modern marble hearth. The tapestries showing hunts with riders in antiquated outfits and a dance of the gods and goddesses of summer. The worn red patterned rug on the dark wood floor that surely must hold sentimental value, because it's shabby compared to everything else in this room. Valtaire doesn't say anything as he crosses to the opposite side of the room. He gently opens the door to Toravon's father's study, peering inside. He closes it again, quietly. So Toravon isn't in there. Not that I thought he would be. His own study is beyond it. But had Valtaire thought he would be? "All right," Valtaire says in a low voice, crossing back to me. "What do we have to do?" It feels like we're both moving in stolen time, and I can sense he's just as agitated as I am. "You have to stand there and not distract me," I say, my own voice barely louder than a whisper. "And maybe this is a bad idea. I know it's a bad idea. We should have gone to Toravon first. But I'm just not ready." I go to the bed, to the side where I felt the unreality the strongest before. I center myself, as I had in the Dowager's chambers, reaching out, both hands, feeling with all my senses. I let my breathing slow, looking around me again, listening. My skin is crawling with the sense of unreality now, the deadness of it, when I know there has to be more life here. There has to be. Toravon was here, or someone was here at least. The curtains are open. "What is supposed to be?" Valtaire asks. My nerves jangle at the interruption, and I snap. "Quiet!" My gut twinges with guilt at the outburst. He didn't deserve that. But he can't break my concentration. Not now. And Valtaire is quiet. I focus in again, and this time I hear it.